idea. Ace has no idea.
Oh, yeah, there he goes. Oops.
I have it. Oh my gosh, Harbor! Harbor is your favorite! He's so happy. Oh my gosh. Hi, Bubba's! Hi! Oh my gosh!
Ace.
I got that on video. Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh. Oh.
Harbor ran around the house.
I see it. Oh my gosh. Look at how much snow. Oh. I guess his vest is working pretty good. Oh my goodness. Wow. Harbor just got whitewashed by Ace. Oh my gosh. Let me see, pretty boy. Whoa. Harbor, come here. He's covered in snow. Harbor. This is his favorite. Oh my goodness. Harbor, what happened? What happened to you? Oh. What are you doing? Come here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Harbor. If you guys couldn't tell, the snow is his absolute favorite. Harbor, what are you doing? Harbor, your nose is gonna fall off. Oh my God.
Harbor?
See if he'll react if you throw it at him again.
Ace.
Oy.
Where's your brother?
Harbor? Oh, he's just licking up the grill grease. Harbor, no, you don't need that. I know, it tastes like burgers. Come on. Come on, Ace. Come on.
This smells fucking
Always pooping. All right. He's got to go check it out. He loves it. Ready? Come on. Come on. It's really not that cold. Come on. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's frozen. You're wild. All right.
Stop now.
Oh my goodness. It's a marrow bone. Oh, Harbor wants that one. He's here. Here's one for you. Ugh. So much for mopping.
This is Chris's home cooking.
Chris Carroll's first cooking tutorial.
I make the best breakfast food. This is homemade sausage from a bear I shot.
All right, cut the tapes. Cut the tapes. Oh shit, that was not aesthetic at all.
I see a shell in there.
Where? What's happening? Okay, I guess I'm making scrambled eggs.
I thought that's what you were making.
No, I'm making an omelet.
Well, it don't look like an omelet.
You look like a grandma. With my duck sweater.
This is how you fluff stuff, boys. Might not look like it on the screen you're watching, but this is actually like faster than an electric fluffer. Actually, you hear that? That's faster.
That's fluffy.
You still filming?
Yeah.
Ask YouTube what they would think about a cabin build video.
YouTube, what would you think about a cabin build video? If we went off the grid, would you still watch?
What'd they say?
Ooh, it looks good though. Too much fluff. I mean, it's good. It's like middle school.
Let's take a look at that previous run. Watch McKay back to work his way to the double team.